the less informed you are about the latest news, the latest happenings. Is the economy going down or up? Is there a new virus in town or not? This whole updating yourself is keeping you away from your manifestation. Do you remember 2020? I know personally of a couple of people who did so well in 2020. Yeah, you heard that right. They did really well in 2020. And most of us suffered through it. A lot of us had health scares. Some people got hospitalized. Some unfortunately did not make it. And I also was caught up in the news cycle. I suffered a lot, especially financially. And since, I'm a freelancer, I'm a freelance musician, everything was shut down and I was constantly updating myself with news and what is happening, what is shut, what is open, what can I do. I was panicky. I was panicking about my remainder of the money, etc. And then I know somebody who did not much. He's not particularly intelligent, he's very lazy, he's not particularly talented either, but he killed it during the COVID season. Of course, he had some other challenges, but I'm talking financially, especially. Wish that I had not kept myself updated, because everything on the outside that you're taking in as a fact, you don't question news at all. Do you remember a couple of weeks back, there was a new virus that had started making the rounds? Hanta virus or something it was called. And most of us didn't pay attention to it. Where is it now? It's gone. I have decided this after 2020. For 2 years nearly, I really suffered. And then I decided to just take things in my hands. And after 2020, everything changed. That's because I stopped consuming the news. I stopped believing the news. You are only experiencing your life. You are only experiencing whatever is going on in your mind. That is the only thing that you experience. So you have to be very careful about what you allow inside your mind, what you choose to believe. Now, economy is a huge thing, right? Um, if you decide to believe all the news and facts and experts on the outside, you have already resigned your power, you've given away your power to someone else. I would ask you to decide for yourself. You have to be a little delusional, because every other thing that you have in your life that you wish was different was also created by a delusion. You decided to believe something without proof or evidence, and that's how it came to be true. I am now asking you to also believe some things without any proof or evidence on the outside. Simple things that your mind will not directly challenge. Can you at least say to yourself, no matter what the economy is, I know that I'm going to do really well. No matter what virus comes or goes, I know that I will be able to handle it. My body knows what to do. My body knows already a lot of other things. My body is also breathing on its own without my intervention. So it will know what to do. I am healthy. I'm always going to be healthy. Can you say these things at least? Because if you've believed a delusion before, you need to believe this delusion as well. But of course, as humans, we believe negative things about ourselves very readily. We believe that things are hard. We believe that things have to be a struggle. We believe that relationships are hard. We believe that the economy is going down. Middle class will never be able to make money. We believe all these things. Is there any proof of these things that they will happen to you? No, but you've believed them and therefore they are there. It's literally as simple as that. So, being less informed, being ill informed is actually going to work in your favor. I also, by the way, talk to a lot of stock traders and day traders, FNO people as well. And I am one myself, not an FNO trader, but I do invest occasionally in the stock market. And sometimes my trades also go not according to how I had seen them, but I never take it to heart now. Earlier I used to, but I don't now. And I always tell myself I always make the right moves. No matter what it shows me on the outside, no, it is always the right move. I know what to do. I always make the right moves. And believe me, even if I am not proven right immediately as soon as I say it, no, but I believe it and I stop obsessing over it, stop checking it obsessively, and I'm usually proven right. That has been my experience. So why not apply it to other stuff? There is really no upper limit. This has no logic, no rationale. I'm already telling you this doesn't have logic. So, but your fears also don't have logic. Your phobias also don't have logic. So why not use this principle for your benefit instead? So what I'm trying to tell you is don't believe the news. The news runs on your fear and it keeps you stuck in the place that you have been at. Release yourself from that. Believe only your own self. Believe only what you're telling yourself deliberately. Say that no matter what the economy, I am always protected. I flourish in all economies. I have no off seasons. I have no down time at all. I am full of energy. My body knows what to do. My body knows how to protect me from any and everything that might happen from the outside. The season changes doesn't matter because I know how to take care of my body and my body knows how to take care of me. I always make the right moves. I always know what to do. People love me, people respect me. Everywhere I go, I am a charmer. People get charmed, people are attracted to me, people talk only good things behind my back. This is a good delusion that will help you. And the more you believe it, the more you become this person who is more and more comfortable in their own skin and not afraid of what the world is going to do to you. It's like you are afraid of your own reflection. You've just believed something in the past and that's why it's showing you like that. So stop scaring yourself. Cut off from the news, cut off from Twitter. I have deleted my Instagram account. It's been more than a month and I cannot tell you how happy I am. I wish I could go off Twitter completely, but I'm trying. So I hope that you like the video and please take care of yourself. Be in a good delusion and I'll see you in the next one.